Hi, hello, hi, hello. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. Do you like coffee? Oh, yes, I do. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. What is your favorite color? Yellow. What is your favorite color? Yellow. Can you help me? Sure. Can you help me? Sure. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Do you have pet? Yes, I have a dog. How was your day? It was good. How was your day? It was good. Where do you live? I live in Noida. Where do you live? I live in Noida. Do you speak in English? Yes, I do. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. Can you drive? Yes, I can. Can you drive? Yes, I can. Do you like music? Yes, I love it. Do you like music? Yes, I love it. Do you have siblings? Yes, 3 brothers. Do you have siblings? Yes, 3 brothers. What is your hobby? Reading. What is your hobby? Reading. Are you tired? Yes, a little. Are you tired? Yes, a little. What's the date today? It's August 12th. What's the date today? It's August 12th. What do you study? I study biology. What do you study? I study biology. Do you like travel? Yes, very much. Do you like travel? Yes, very much. Do you watch TV? Not often. Do you watch TV? Not often. What's your favorite book? Harry Potter. What's your favorite book? Harry Potter. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Are you free tonight? Yes, I am. Are you free tonight? Yes, I am. Can you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Can you play any instrument? Yes, I play the guitar. Is she your sister? Yes, she is. Is she your sister? Yes, she is. Am I next? Yes, you are. Am I next? Yes, you are. Which food do you like the most? Pizza. What food do you like the most? pizza. How did your day go? It was great. How did your day go? It was great.